how can I say I want to bring some food, or just I want to bring food from the shop. Let's do that.
بدي جيب أكل من المحل.
Yes. So بدي جيب أكل من المحل.
بدي جيب أكل من المحل.
So بدي جيب أكل من المحل.
بدي جيب أكل من المحل.
ممتاز. Okay. Yeah, one more time.
عندي مشكلة. عندي مشكلة. عندي مشكلة. So very important guys here to emphasize on the letter عين, which is represented by number 3. And now we have another sentence. عندي مشكلة, I have a problem, but if I want to negate it to I don't have a problem, I add ما. So ما عندي مشكلة, I don't have a problem. Now we can say it in Arabic and in phonetic. I don't have a problem. ما عندي مشكلة. And make sure that to recognize between مع, which is with, and ما. So ما for negative, مع means with. ما عندي مشكلة. I don't have a problem.
So أنا رحت. نحن رحنا.
رحنا.
Yes.